Now, the next crypto reserve currency is Bitcoin Cash. Now, Bitcoin Cash is a little controversial because it started as a fork to Bitcoin's blockchain. And by fork, what I mean is there was a group of developers and miners that decided they didn't like the way things were going with Bitcoin, so they created a fork in the network, and this maintained the same DNA as Bitcoin with some slight modifications. The problem with the original Bitcoin network was it really Satoshi's vision? Bitcoin had grown so large that it was unable to handle as many transactions as were trying to be processed. I noted in an earlier lesson that with a 1 megabyte block size, you only get 4 to 7 transactions per second. Now, Bitcoin Cash increased the block size to 8 megabytes, which should facilitate more transactions per second and more commerce. Now, Bitcoin Cash wasn't really taken that seriously in the beginning, but in December, it was added to Coinbase. And once it was added to Coinbase, the value of Bitcoin Cash jumped dramatically, sometimes 2 to 3 times in one specific day. And since then, people are more freely trading and owning Bitcoin Cash than in the past. So it looks like this crypto reserve currency is here to stay.